Okay, everyone, welcome to class today. I hope you had a good weekend this week as you come to class today, and let's start a class. What I want you to do, I want you to think about this question here. What makes a good house? What makes up a good house? Okay, think about these questions. And today, we are going to build a house using what?
Cards.
Using playing cards. And I want you guys to imagine yourself, you're given a contract to build a house. And I want you as a class to help build this house. Make sure a house has a solid foundation, a strong foundation, has a good, imagine that this house is your dream house for the future, a house where you want to live in it. And so in 5 minutes, as all of the classes, we only have 4, to come up to and use this, you can build house here, right? I give you 5 minutes to build a house using the playing card. Think of the question in the board and then again try to build the house. Everyone must put on some effort to the house.
Sorry.
Whoop.
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, I think this one is good.
Flat, so.
Yeah, maybe the ridges and the thing might help.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wow, so creative.
Oh, awesome.
Just thinking fixing it, think about it.
Oh, there it goes. Awesome.
Oh.
It's okay. Teacher, build a house is so difficult.
I know. Being a contract, you earn a lot of money. You need to build good houses for people to stay in.
Just find a boyfriend.
Oh, that's a good idea.
How big should it be?
It's all up to you.
Maybe it'll be a one-story house.
Make sure that you have a strong foundation house. And think about the question that we first came up with on the board. What makes up a good house?
You don't have to have a tall house.
Okay. What about back in...
Oh!
Erna is such a destroyer. Okay, you're left with only 3 minutes. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Those ridges are nice.
Yeah.
Try to do this.
Do them all at the same time so that they lean on each other.
Yeah.
So-
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
And then
you three
somebody
go.
put them on before we let go. Put the top on. No, it's gotta be touching mine.
No, this one's going to fall.
Okay.
Okay.
I think
Oh.
you're done. That's alright. I saw it. Okay.
Alright,
You can now take your seat.
house, like nails and a hammer.
Yeah.
Not cards, tape.
You can now take your seat. From the activity that we just did, I was trying to make you feel like, how are we doing with building houses? What kind of houses do you want? Do you want a strong foundation house, or do you want a house that it has a poor foundation house, or whatever it is? And our topic for today, we are going to talk about essay, how to write a good essay. And from the houses that we built, I wanted you guys to think about this question: what makes up a good essay? So from the house that you built, we had a bad foundation house and a good foundation house. The objective of this class is that by the end of today, you will be able to understand or know the different parts of an essay. And also, you should be able to understand how important it is to have a strong foundation when writing an essay. Okay? So, I want you to give me an idea. What makes up a good essay and not so good essay? So, what do you think? In an essay,
Topic.
what does it need? It needs a topic. What else?
Thesis statement.
A thesis statement. That's right. I wasn't expected you to bring this answer since you're not 7th grade. You're only in the 6th grade. Introduction to writing an essay.
Resources.
Yes, resources. Sure. So when you're talking about resources, what do you mean?
We have to read books
have to
and
read
research
books.
about them.
Yeah, you have to read some
Research about the topic.
source and some book about the topic. Yeah.
Introduction.
An introduction. An essay must have a what?
Introduction
An
and
introduction.
And conclusion.
Conclusion.
And a conclusion. Oh,
Body
the
paragraph.
So smart. Okay, what makes up a bad essay? Yeah, it's the opposite. Yeah?
Yeah,
Is
no
it?
topic.
No topic, no thesis statement, no resources. You just sit there and figure out things yourself. No introduction and no conclusion. That's all the opposite way around. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Today we had a topic and we are going to start writing an essay. We won't start writing the essay now, today, but this week I will make sure that after this week you will be able to write a good essay on your own. Okay? Okay. First step of writing an essay, we should have a topic, right? And in a topic, the second things you need to do, you need to brainstorm it. Who doesn't understand the word brainstorm? Okay. Who understands the word brainstorm? Okay.
It's brain in the storm.
It's the brain in the storm. Okay. Could you please tell me what do you know about brainstorm? Can you explain?
A brainstorm is when you think of a bunch of ideas that you can write an essay about.
Okay. Thinking about a bunch of ideas so you can write your essay about it. Okay, what about you? Yuri?
Brainstorm. Sorting your ideas.
Sorting your ideas.
Sorting your ideas so that you can know what idea will belong to this entire theme and the other things.
I like that word. Sorting your ideas. What about you, Erna?
Same.
Same. Okay. Those are good answers to brainstorm. Brainstorming means this is when you're breaking down your topic into different parts. Like let's say your topic is technology. To brainstorm an idea about technology, you will have to write everything you know about technology, But we will continue on to that later on in this class. I will make sure that after this class, you will know how to brainstorm your topic in order for you to write a good essay. Okay, for the first step, after you you write your topic and you brainstorm it, and then you will have to divide
Okay.
divide it into 3 points.
Can you those magnets that are on the board? Sorry. I need those to go back to the social work building, the big room.
Okay.
On the whiteboard there. Could one of you guys just put it there?
Okay.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you. And sorry about that. Continue on with our lesson today. After brainstorming, you need to divide those ideas into 3 main what?
Points.
3 main points. After those 3 main points, you need to have what?
Example.
Supporting example to support your what?
Points.
Your points. And from that, the 5th step, you will then have to write your what?
Introduction.
Your introduction. Then you will then write your what?
Body paragraph.
Body paragraph. Then the last step of writing a good essay is your what?
Conclusion.
Conclusion. Okay. To write a good essay, since you just started, this is how you needed to write a good essay. You follow these steps. You must have a topic. You need to brainstorm that topic. Bring ideas about the topic. And then you have to divide those points that you were brainstorming in just 3 main points. After all you brainstorm, maybe you have 5 points. So you are required to only bring 5 points. Out of those 5 points, you bring how many?
3.
3. You bring 3. From that, after that, from these 3 points, you are required to write up to bring a supporting ideas, supporting examples for each point. Yeah? And then number 5, that is when you started to write the essay. You are so ready, you're so eager, you're so willing to write the essay because now you know what to write. Because you already brainstormed them here. When you start writing, oh, piece of cake. You're writing everything. You already have your draft, so you're just writing it down. And we will have an example of writing a good essay. Let's say that my topic is technology is good nowadays. We have to agree if this is, bring your opinion. Is technology good nowadays?
Do you mean that it developed, or do you mean it's good for our health?
It's good for your development and for school, for studies, and everything like that. What do you think?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. You can't even say sometimes. You have to decide yes or no. So you can write your essay. You have to bring your opinion about it. So let's say we say yes. Yes, of course, technology is good nowadays. It's more like you have debating answers about it. Let's brainstorming. Brainstorming, you give the ideas. Why do you think that technology is good nowadays? Who has an idea? Arina? It helps us to learn.
I actually have an experience. Well, I went to this elementary school this morning, and they were taking a test on their MacBook Air. All the kids had one MacBook Air, and they were taking a test on it. I guess it's easier for them to mark the tests because it's already inputted in the data.
It's fast.
It's fast.
Okay, technology is fast, yeah? Like it saves your times, right?
Yeah, convenient.
Convenient. Save times, it's convenient.
It's fun.
It's fun. See, Erna knows it's fun because Erna loves Facebook here in class. Yay, Erna! Hey, Erna! Okay, what else do you think? Technology is good nowadays. Why? Because it gives you all the information that you need, you know? When you do not understand about anything, you just go ahead, go Google, ta-da, ta-da, there you go. Yeah? So it gives you what? Lots of information? Okay, from how many points do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you are required to only pick how many? 3. You only required to pick 3. So let's pick the best 3 answer. So what do you think?
I think save time and fast can
Save time.
They combine
Number
together.
1.
They can
Okay.
combine together.
Combine together. That's it.
Gives you lots of info. That's important
That's number 2. Gives you a lot of info.
to help you learn.
Maybe this one goes together with this one. Am I right?
Yeah.
Fun. Then the third point can be fun.
Okay, the third point can be fun.
Because
So,
convenient can go with save time.
okay, convenient can go with this one and this one. Yeah? See, this is how you're brainstorming it. Brainstorming an idea, you come up with a lot of ideas about the topic, and then you have to only pick the best 3 that you think is the best. You know. After that, what's the next step?
The next step is
Probably examples.
Yes. After brainstorming, yeah, you have to come up with what?
Example.
Example. And the example has to be what?
Specific.
To be weak examples or to be what?
Strong.
A strong examples to support your main idea. Okay. Right after you have the examples for each main point, then what happened next? You are ready to what?
Introduction.
You are ready to start with your introduction and your essay. Okay. Right now, as a group, as a class, I want you to turn to your banner. Turn to a banner. And decide a topic yourself. Decide a topic that you think you want to write an essay about.
I want to write about.
After you make up your mind, and then face up to the front so I can know that you're done.
Phone.
About a phone. About phones. Okay.
What do you want to write?
I don't know. Food.
Okay, you make up your mind with your essay?
Yes.
Okay, now pick up your notebook
Yes.
and start brainstorming the ideas of the write your name. Oh, you don't have a paper? I have papers.
We got it. We got some.
Okay. Write down your topic on top of that paper of your notebook, and then brainstorm the ideas. I will come around to see how you're doing, and if you have any question, just don't hesitate to ask me. Okay? I will give you 3 minutes. Okay. I think we're almost out of time. At this time, I would like to see one of your works. One person can share what topic that she was thinking of, and give me her 3 main points from her topic. Who would love to share? Yuri?
Okay.
Listen.
My topic is cats are smart, and I agree with it. And so my 3 main points is that 1, they hunt with strategy. 2, they change attitude according to their needs. And 3, they fight for their for their house and everything, and they also have strategy for them. So. And they have manners also. So the third one will be manner. Actually, I'll change it to the manner. They have manners. So that's my 3 main points.
Okay. From the points that she gave, I noticed that the time is finished. She was giving a good points about it. It's good. Your ideas about your topics and everything. And I think everyone is doing great with writing and brainstorming ideas. Now that you're good in brainstorming, come prepared next class. Go with your note and write down that topic that you bring today, that you brought up today. That's your topic for our next class to write your essay about. And start brainstorming as a homework. Start brainstorming those topics and come up with your main points and your examples. And for the next class, come prepared. We will start writing our introduction and our essay. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you, teacher. Who has my pencil?